guys, I want to take a little time to do another update. We do not have internet, so we do have power, and we do have water because of that power. All of it's generated power, but we're going around the farm making sure that we're ready for the next storm. And it's all on my phone. We don't have internet, so this is gonna kind of be a challenge, but we're gonna want to kind of let you know like what it's like in the midst of this. We're very hopeful right now. I think we've relieved a little bit of our stress by getting things prepared, and you know, the water has receded a whole lot. I'm just trying to remember all the points. You know, from last time, water's receded a ton. And we had our friends come over and they chopped up all the trees that were kind of blocking everything. Ooh, get a little bit bright there. So there was a tree in the pig pen here that was all chopped up, and we kind of all just stacked it out here in the field. And then we released the sheep. If you can hear them, they're kind of separated right now because half of them went over in this field and the other half are kind of enticed by these eucalyptus leaves. They love them. One of the reasons that we do love our painted desert sheep is they are, you know, the garbage disposals of these eucalyptus. Probably nothing else eats them except for goats and sheep. Our cows hate them, but this is food for them. So while we're waiting for the next storm, we let the sheep onto a little bit higher ground. They've got a little bit more room here. We've totally forgotten about rotational grazing for the next week probably, because we're just gonna get rain after rain. And so yep, we gave the sheep more room. They're weeding our gardens right now and fertilizing our gardens, and then they're gonna help take care of all this brush. And not really sure what we're gonna do with this brush, these little twigs and trees and stuff like that. It's gonna be a big bonfire though, and we're thinking that maybe we should turn it into biochar, but I mean, it's just such a huge volume. What's up, buddy? Oh. It's so cute. It's so cute, those little sounds. But oh, this mama. Come on. All right, yeah, let's get them all together real quick here. As you can see, we just have a ton of standing water left, but the pond is like down to normal level. So we got a little wiggle room, if you want to call it that. But we undammed this area over here so water can flow through. And let's get these guys in the right direction. Come on, move on. Go on. Go on. We'll get you all together so you stop whining. Let's get them over to this area, and they'll go in there, and then they can all follow each other once they know where they're all at. So no, don't go that way, go that way. Come on, go on. I think this one's leading right now because Elsa's over here. She's usually in charge. So let's get these guys. See, oh good, they're squeezing, they're getting in there. And that's it. Oh, except the, come on, go on, go on. Nope, go on, go on, go on. No, follow the babies, follow the baby. The baby's smarter than you. There we go, there we go. Okay, So just wanted to take a moment and thank you guys for everybody reaching out to us. We know that we're not the only homesteaders that have to, or humans, let's just be honest, that have to deal with natural disasters and stuff like that. And you know, floods we're not used to. We're used to fires and stuff like that, but these types of floods only come along, you know, every 30 or 40 years, and this is the first time for us. So thanks for reaching out to us. Thanks for praying for us. We appreciate it. We don't expect anything. Our local community is phenomenal. The good thing is, you know, everybody around us kind of homesteads, and so everybody has a chainsaw, has a generator. You know, we're blessed to have people around us that are ready to go. One of our friends came over, and I did not know, this is how dumb I am with electrical stuff, that you could hook essentially a dryer plug from the generator to your house, as long as you turn off the main and stuff like that. And this is not a recommendation, I'm just telling you what I know now, that you could run from the generator to your house, and you could run a few things. And that just gave us like so much peace. Like we had some hot water after that. Our well started running after that. And I didn't know, I thought we had to plug in everything individually. But if you have the generator and you plug in the wire to your house, to the outlet that the dryer goes in, then that energy, that electricity circulates through your house and has saved us a lot of open windows. These types of things help you know what you don't know, so that next time we could be prepared and we could be the helpers instead of the helped. You guys, it's been such a long day. So I'll just show you the front of our house. As you can see, we've got sandbags because on our property, all of the water from every other buddies, all of our neighbors comes on our property. So all of this water came from there, and it was just all flooded, and it goes through here. And so sandbags are up. Gonna get some more sandbags later. So you'll see, here's our well, which we finally got working because our good friend helped us hook up electricity. So you guys, you really start to appreciate small things like turning on a faucet. When you lose energy, I mean, drinking out of like old plastic bottles that we saved water like a year ago, you know, it's those little luxuries that you really quickly begin to remember, you know, like how thankful you are for that kind of stuff. So well is working, we're so happy. But I just want to show you, like, we have this little dip here, and water was just flowing all over here, and it goes down here out to our field, and then over here is the pond, which was just like insanely full. Like, we basically had beachfront property, and not the kind that we really want to have. So I mean, out of any animal on our farm, have not worried about the ducks one bit. I mean, we haven't even been locking them in at night because, first of all, the water has been coming up to here. You can see how all the water from our neighbors' properties come here, and then there's that little outlet there that comes from the south side here. Then once the water gets high enough, it will go out there to our north side neighbors. And the ducks, you know, they've just been living it up, you know, perfect weather for ducks. We worry about them zero in this type of weather. So, you know, and then our cows are over here too. So we've mixed our sheep and cows together. They're fenced in. We did have a break in the north fence there that we fixed the other day with some help of our friends. I mean, we really couldn't have survived very well without our neighbors, and so we were very, very thankful for them. And you know, hopefully when we get out on the other side of this, we'll have a little bit of experience. And so next time this happens, we're gonna be a little bit more prepared. And speaking of being prepared, we've got to go get some sandbags. Rachel and Nani and Alora are out getting wet weather clothes. We found out that our boots all are leaking, and so in order to stay dry, in order to be able to get out here and do what we need to do, they're gonna go get those, and the boys and I are gonna go get some sandbags and just be prepared for this next go. But it doesn't look like we're supposed to get as much rain, but we will get a lot of wind, and so power outage, lots of trees down is going to be a possibility. And so we're prepared. We got all that going, and we're going to get some more sandbags just in case we need to divert some water around our doors and stuff like that. So here we go. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. Sorry this editing of this video is not normal quality. Like I said, we don't have internet, but we hope you enjoy it. Give us some encouragement, smash that like button, subscribe if you're not, and click that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.